So the next technique, and we're going to do, is a traps release. Now that we've got all of these traps nice and soft, I'm going to take my soft fist using the edge of my knuckles. For some of you, you might be able to use these, but I find these are the easiest way. I'm going to place them here, and I don't want to be on top of the scalenes. I want to get the edge of the traps. And I'm going to sink down towards his spine gently, and then to increase that, I'm going to have him roll his head to the left. And so he's going to be in charge of how much and how quickly this muscle opens. It's not me trying to make the tissue move. I'm actually just sinking into it, and he's stretching it open, and I'm just following it as it opens. So it's really not taking a lot of muscle strength or a lot of stress on me. And I can really slide all the way under here if he'll let me. Great. No, don't help. Come back, and we'll do the other side. So I'm going to, again, place my knuckles right at the edge of the trap, and I'm working down and have him roll away from that. I'm also keeping all of my joints as aligned as I can with my center, so my wrist doesn't break. I don't have to use forearm muscles as much. My elbow doesn't break. It's just one of the principles of our body mechanics workshop is stacking the joints as much as possible. And so it really doesn't take a lot of force or tension for me. I could really do this all day. Great, come back. And so now we really have some nice softness here.